happening is the table has a drop mechanism, and when the table drops, then that's what's actually taking place with the adjustment, and all my hand is doing is following through versus me trying to push the joint through. So it is actually a little bit more comfortable, and it's actually lighter for a lot of people.
Fairly quick.
So I hope that sheds a lot of light for those of you who have vertigo or dizziness. This is an approach that obviously I take every single day. This is something that I do to people all the time, and we see results. But really the quality of the results really comes from the analysis before. It's making sure that we are correct in our analysis. It's making sure our measurements are correct. And it's the level of precision that allows us to get